Hello everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to Sophie's Watch Flow. It's been a while since last time we met. How have you been? Today I'm going to introduce to you a very interesting watch from the brand Lucky Harvey, a Mahjong watch. As you know, Mahjong is a traditional Chinese game and it is also my favorite game. And we love playing it when family or friends gatherings, which brings us a lot of joyful moments and excitement. Playing Mahjong is a bit of a complicated, but I'll keep the introduction brief. Let's get to know the basic information of Mahjong.
Circles, bamboos, Chinese characters.
So these are sequence, right? No matter 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, or 7, 8, 9, 3 tiles, making it a group of sequence.
Winds, dragons, flowers.
So wind, dragon, flowers, they don't have sequence, but they have identical. So 3 identical, no matter winds or dragons, making it a group of identical. And flowers is just for extra score. How to win? Very simple now. You just collect 4 groups of identical group and sequence group together with an extra pair. Then you could win. Now this is a Mahjong table, right? You are in the south and 3 of your friends are playing with you. They are in the east, north, and west separately, right? So check out what you've got. You have a group of identical and 2 groups of sequence, right? And extra pair ready. Now you need a tile of the west wind to form the last group to win. But from what you draw, you didn't win. Now let's check out your friends in the west. He or she has 2 groups of identical and 1 group of sequence and a pair ready. What he or she needs is bamboo number 1 or number 4 because he or she has got number 2 and number 3. So from what he or she draws, she or he wins. Congratulations, friends! So are you ready? Time to practice. Wow, this watch is so nice, gorgeous watch. Okay, let's start. Press the button right here. Okay. Who win? Right, the north wing. Sequence. 6, 7, 8, circle. Who win? Yeah, the east wing. Also, it's a sequence. 1, 2, 3, character. So who win? Yeah, the west wing, 1, 2, 3, bamboo, sequence. The east wing, 1, 2, 3, characters. The east wing again, 6, 7, 8, circles. The east again, 1, 2, 3, bamboo. So, are you ready to play? Next, let's get to know the watch itself. 36 tiny detailed 3-dimensional Mahjong tiles. The circle, the bamboo, and the characters sit on the dial. Inner and outer tiles spin together, then lock into 4 players lose when you stop. The dial uses classic Mahjong table green, with 4 colored blocks standing for 4 players. And this watch shrinks the whole fun of Chinese Mahjong onto your wrist. The core idea is to grab Mahjong joy anywhere, no full table needed. If you are tired of scrolling on phones at gatherings, pull out this watch to liven up the mood instantly. Set small fun rules like who loses the game buys drinks, and take turns spinning. Way more interesting than dice or rock, paper, scissors. So let's take a look at the specifications of this watch. The watch movement is Lucky Harvey self-developed LH000 automatic mechanical movement, run at 28,800 times per hour for precise timekeeping. Game button passed the strict durability test for smooth spins every time. And the case back engraved with classic Mahjong patterns and a big Fa, which means fortune, character for good luck. And the case is made of 316L stainless steel, nicely brushed, and diameter is 43 millimeters. crystal is synthetic sapphire and straps is imported genuine leather with floral rubber. Waterproof for this watch is 30 meters daily life waterproof, and there are 2 styles for selection.